Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about BTT token. Bittorrent. What surprise changes goes in a BTT token, and what's the changes? Let me show you guys. And absolutely, in this video we are also doing a prediction for BTT token, as in the future there is possibilities that the price of BTT token will pump or dump. So let's start the video. But guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button for more news and update videos. So guys, finally everybody messaged me about Bittorrent token, that what should we do. Obviously the changes of BTT token is completely going negative, so everybody are worrying about that. But guys, you know what, be satisfied from BTT token. Don't worry about Bittorrent token, guys. I believe and I'm sure about that, guys, that BTT token will give you profit if you hold for a long time, guys, not for short time. I'm not satisfied. You know what, I'm just sure about for a long time investor, guys. Those people who's investing for a long time in a Bittorrent token, so I believe that they will get profit from BTT token. You can see, guys, now the changes is completely negative. So now a lot of people also ask me that please make a prediction video. So you know what, guys, I believe that in the last week of October, there is higher possibilities, 80 to 90% chances, possibilities that the price of Bittorrent token will pump. That's my personal prediction about Bittorrent token, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion? What's your price prediction about Bittorrent token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.